Heat and humidity are part of everyday life for many homeowners, and managing them indoors can feel like a constant challenge. Even when indoor systems are working hard, poor window performance can allow heat and moisture to seep inside, making living spaces uncomfortable. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, installing quality windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce heat and humidity while improving overall indoor comfort. Why heat and humidity enter through windows? Windows are a major connection point between indoor and outdoor conditions. When windows are outdated or poorly sealed, warm air and moisture can move freely inside. In Pompano Beach homes, older windows often allow heat to pass through the glass and humidity to slip in around worn frames or seals. This leads to rooms that feel sticky, stuffy, or difficult to cool, especially during warmer months. How quality windows limit heat transfer? Quality windows are designed to slow the transfer of heat from outside to inside. Their construction focuses on improved insulation and tighter sealing around the frame. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means less outdoor heat entering through the windows. Living spaces stay cooler and more stable throughout the day, even when outdoor temperatures rise. Reducing indoor humidity through better sealing. Humidity often enters the home through small gaps around windows. Over time, seals can weaken, allowing moist air to pass inside. Quality windows close tightly against the frame, reducing these gaps. In Pompano Beach residences, better sealing helps keep humid outdoor air from creeping indoors, supporting a drier, more comfortable environment. Improving comfort near window areas. Heat and humidity are usually most noticeable near windows. Seating areas or bedrooms near poorly performing windows may feel warmer or damp. Quality windows help stabilize conditions near the glass. Pompano Beach homeowners often find that areas near windows become more comfortable and usable after upgrading, making the entire room more enjoyable. Supporting balanced indoor temperatures. When heat enters unevenly through windows, some rooms feel warmer than others. This imbalance makes it harder to maintain consistent comfort. Quality windows help distribute indoor temperatures more evenly. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means fewer hot spots and more consistent comfort from room to room. Reducing moisture buildup and stale air. Excess humidity can make indoor air feel heavy and uncomfortable. Without proper barriers, moisture can linger indoors. Quality windows help limit moisture intrusion while allowing homeowners to manage airflow when needed. Pompano Beach homes benefit from a fresher indoor atmosphere that feels lighter and more breathable. Easing the strain on indoor systems. When windows allow heat and humidity inside, indoor systems must work harder to compensate. This increased workload can lead to discomfort and inefficiency. By reducing heat gain and moisture entry, quality windows help Pompano Beach homes maintain comfort more efficiently. Indoor systems don't have to run as often or as long to achieve the same results. Improving everyday living comfort. Comfort affects how a home is used. When rooms feel cooler and less humid, daily activities become easier and more enjoyable. Quality windows help Pompano Beach homeowners feel comfortable throughout the day, whether relaxing, working from home, or spending time with family. Reducing the need for temporary solutions. Many homeowners rely on heavy curtains, draft blockers, or frequent system adjustments to manage heat and humidity. Quality windows address the root cause of the problem. Pompano Beach homeowners enjoy a more permanent solution that improves comfort without constant workarounds. A smart upgrade for heat and humidity control. Managing heat and humidity starts with strengthening the home's exterior barriers. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, quality windows help reduce heat and humidity by limiting heat transfer, blocking moisture intrusion, and supporting consistent indoor comfort. The result is a home that feels cooler, drier, and more comfortable every day, making quality windows a smart, long-term investment in livability.